says draw more spaghetti in Monster's ball. So you just draw more. I think orange would be better. Yeah, I will. Done. Yeah. This one's quick.
Ooh, that's nice spaghetti.
Yeah, it's colorful. Now, you're gonna read the sentence and then color the boy. What is this? You read it. Little boy blue, come blow your horn. It says little boy blue, so I color it blue. It says, "See, what would you do if you were a baby?" Drink milk. Done. Little blue. Where is little blue? He's under a haystack, fast asleep. Actually, he ain't sleeping. He's just relaxing. Oh, okay.
Everybody, we're bringing to you some pancakes tonight. It's gonna be a pancake night, is what it's gonna be. Everybody's probably feeling this, but we have been feeling some extremely
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
breezy, cooler temperatures. Just felt like a fall day today, especially this morning.
Before lunchtime, it was still in the 60s, upper 60s, but it was still in the upper 60s just a little bit before lunch. We're gonna make some of these Kodiak protein power cakes, and we have just some regular buttermilk pancake mix, and Titus is making carnivore
For
pancakes.
all the carnivore people out there, I'm gonna make y'all some of them, and I'm gonna sample them to see if they're any good.
We're gonna start with the carnivore pancakes because they're gonna take a little bit longer as far as mixing. The other stuff, I'm pretty sure even the Kodiak protein power cakes, we just have to, is this just add water? It says you can do milk
Yeah.
instead of the water. Okay, so we're gonna do your not cardio.
Cardio, folks. We're gonna get the heart
Jumper
beating.
jacks.
Let's get the heart beating right here, everybody.
What are they? Carnivore ones first.
We're going in with sour cream first. We're gonna do 3/4 of a cup.
Yes, 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. While he's putting in the sour cream, I'm going to show y'all this. We needed egg white powder. We couldn't find it, but a guy at the Ingalls, one man was helping us, and then he had to get somebody else. Anyway, we finally found somebody who knew where it was. We need 4 tablespoons of this, and we bought 3 packs because we didn't know for sure how much we needed, but 1 pack is definitely enough. Now, we don't know how many pancakes this is going to make, so we'll see.
Yeah, we're not sure. Yeah.
But, well, you know, we're making these other ones over here anyway, so the rest of these are going to be cooking on the Blackstone. Oh, yeah, this is a 2 tablespoon spoon right here, so yeah, there's definitely, I would say that's just the right amount in this 1 pack for this recipe. 4 tablespoons.
Okay, so this goes in next.
Yes.
Okay, this goes in next, everybody. Then the gelatin?
Yeah, then the gelatin, and we just need 1 tablespoon of the gelatin, which is probably what this pack is. Let's get our little tablespoon thing so we can measure it.
We're gonna make sure, everybody.
Is this our tablespoon? Yes, 1 tablespoon.
1/2 teaspoon of white vinegar.
2 egg yolks, and you're gonna use a couple of spoons, like I guess close to a couple of tablespoons of the egg white. So I'll put the whites in here for you.
Okay.
I'm just gonna whisk these egg whites a little bit, get them a little frothy, and then we'll put in a couple of tablespoons. Now Titus is gonna cook these carnivore ones inside. I'm gonna be cooking all the rest of the stuff out on the Blackstone, the other pancakes, some bacon, and some sausage. And then we'll cook the eggs in here probably.
Am I ready now? Just to put
Yeah,
this
just
in?
put, no, not the whole thing, just a couple of those yellow
Yellow things?
Yeah.
That's the way I talk. A couple of the yellow things.
Yeah.
Here they are. Is this 2 tablespoons, baby?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got 2 tablespoons of melted butter here, everybody.
That's it for now. Whenever, right before you get ready to put them on the pan, then you add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, but not until you get ready.
Because it starts to activate.
Yeah.
All right, everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and put the butter to the pan here. So we're going in with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna go in just with a little bit of milk here, not much. About like that. Turn it back on. I'm thinking I'm gonna make them about this size right here.
Nothing fancy with mine over here, y'all. We're just adding water. With the protein ones, we're gonna add milk, the Kodiak, and with the regular, we're just gonna add water. Oh yeah, we're gonna do some pumpkin ones. I forgot about that. So I'm gonna make some regular with this regular mix, and then I'll add in just a little bit of this pumpkin.
Yeah, like how many,
it.
5 or 6?
Yeah, probably
pumpkin
6 pumpkin ones, yeah.
All right, everybody, we're getting some bubbles here. We ain't quite ready yet, but we getting there. See that? I don't know, we just about there. We better go ahead and turn this bad boy. I got a feeling this thing's gonna try to, that thing don't look too bad.
I'm not sure about the sour cream, but I think that I will like those pancakes probably better than regular pancakes because they're kind of reminding me of the ingredients that you use to make crepes.
I'm doing football shapes. That wasn't on purpose. That's just the way it turned out. The next one may be a baseball, basketball. We don't know what's coming next. Some pumpkin pancakes are sounding really good to me. There's the first football.
It feels really nice.
It's fluffy.
I think those are going to be good.
Ooh, that thing smells good too. I'm pretty sure this is going to make 4 pancakes.
Okay, his recipe's going to make 4 pancakes. Good sized ones though, right? About average.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, it's been a while since I used the Blackstone, so I'm doing an oil burn on it. I call it an oil burn. I'm just re-seasoning it. I cleaned it really good, and then I just poured a bunch of oil on here, just vegetable oil, and now I'm letting it burn off. So I have the heat, all the burners as high as they'll go. We're just burning off this oil. Okay, now we'll just take this towel. It's just a clean towel. You can use paper towels. I don't have any, so I'm just going to use this clean towel. We will rub in the oil. We'll go ahead and start the bacon, and then we'll put the pancakes on. Okay, we're just gonna put a little butter right here. Man, these protein pancakes, they are pretty thick. This bacon's almost done. I'm gonna go get the other pack. Oh good, thank you. Can you take this to the trash and bring me that other pack of bacon? Yeah. Jonah brought the sausage. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on.
Maybe this bacon right here, baby?
Yeah, I do. I was telling Jonah
look
to bring
at that pancake. That thing looks like biscuits, everybody.
Yeah, that's power.
Lord have mercy.
That's power cakes right
That's
there.
a fire cake right there now. Well, you know you're in the country when you listen to a rooster crow and you're frying bacon.
Mm-hmm. Sausage is done.
Looking good.
Flip this bacon, and then we're going to add some pumpkin to the rest of the pancake batter. Okay, Donna, you can put in a couple of scoops there, and we'll see. I'm just going to stir it with this spoon. Yeah, a little bit more.
Okay.
Just a little pumpkin pie spice. Shake it in. I'm going to show y'all a little trick with pancakes on the Blackstone. If you don't put butter, you're going to get a smooth topped pancake. If you do put butter, you get that other look like the ones that I've been doing. So these up here, I'm not going to put any butter. We're just going to put them in the spot that those other pancakes were in. Now, down here, we'll put a little butter. See that? Smooth topped. See the difference in them there? You like the smooth tops better? Yeah. Jonah scooped up enough for another baby one over here. Sissy's on egg duty.
Everybody, if you would. After you was relaxed to that sound, just turn right around and look at what just happened. I dumped every bit of the Folgers just about on the floor.
It was a big Costco one too.
It was Costco size, everyone.
Where is it? Oh, it's right there.
Jonah has prepared his plate. Looking good, son.
We're just going to, the kids are fixing their plates. We're just going to taste test each pancake. Is this one of every?
That's one of each one. The
One of each
protein, the
Are you sure? I don't think this one's a protein, is it?
Yeah,
This one's not.
That ain't?
It's a regular. Here's a protein though.
Oh, the protein.
The protein ones are a little darker.
Do I got a protein?
No, you got regular.
I got a regular. Okay,
Those are
I know what a
protein.
regular tastes like.
Here's
everybody.
a protein. This one's protein.
This is a protein right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to taste this carnivore one first.
It's really good.
Yes, it's like a crepe, but in not as thin. That's great.
That job is good, buddy.
I knew that was how it was going to kind of be because it's the same, just about the same ingredients as
It's
a crepe.
really, really good.
Which one? Protein?
This is the protein. This is the Kodiak. That one ain't speaking to me. It ain't terrible, but in a desperate moment, you could eat it. I'm already telling you, I know this pumpkin one's gonna be good. The pumpkin one wins, folks.
Carnivore second place.
Carnivore is second place, but definitely that pumpkin one right there.
It's crispy on the outside, but then it melts.
Yes, I think
That
it's good.
inside, when you bite into it, it
It's
melts
like a pumpkin
on.
pie.
It's wonderful.